Hello, welcome to episode number 8. The question may look a bit plenty, but the concept we want to bring out is on episode number 3 and 2. So here we have a body of mass 5 kg rest on an inclined plane whose angle of inclination to the horizontal surface can be varied. So if the coefficient of friction between the body and that of the surface of the inclined plane is 0.3, at what angle does the body start to slide down? Let's make a sketch of that diagram. If you have your horizontal surface and you are having inclined plane, let's have our body in this place. This is the surface. We are looking for the angle at this point. Remember, there will be a reaction called normal reaction. There will be a weight which is equals to the mass G. There will be another force which is vertical force to that of the normal reaction as mg cos theta. You can get that from the previous episode we did. Then this is also going to be mg, what do you call it, sine theta, and there is a frictional force holding the body from sliding down. So we are looking for coefficient of what? Friction here. Remember, if we recall, let's just do it by recall, your coefficient of friction is equals to the frictional force over the normal reaction. And the frictional force is also a horizontal force, or let's say a parallel force, a force parallel to the surface. So upward, how do you call it? The right and left, which is also equals to the mg sine theta. Then vertical force, which is perpendicular to the surface, will also be normal reaction equals to mg cos what? Theta. You know mg will cancel, you will left with what? The tan theta as the ratio for that. So what will I do? I am just going to say my coefficient of friction will be equals to the tan of the angle, which is going to be theta. But I know what the friction is as given in the question. 0.3 equals to tan what? Theta. So in this case, we are looking for theta. So theta equals to the tan inverse of what? 0.3. Let's put that in our calculator and see. And that will give you 16.7 degree. So the angle of inclination, if not to any significant figures or whole numbers, 16.7 or 17 degrees if we are to leave it in a whole number place. I guess concept is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.